Okay, so we're going to be taking a quick look around. This plane has just come back from an overhaul center. They refurbished the interior, giving it a fresh coat of paint. Well, you know, the first thing I see up here, this partition wall between economy class and premier economy class, that's brand new. Shall we take a look at the business class first? Okay, left turn down the aisleway. Yes, this is all new. All new. Look at that. They've even got those wraps. See this? It's never been used before. Now the first thing you'll notice is the division between these two seats has a removable partition. A slide partition, you can close it when you don't need it. You open it up. And the two passengers here will be able to talk to each other, unlike on our other planes. This is really brand new. Brand new. I think the IV system is the same. Closer inspection, there's a lot of similar things like this armrest. Looks like it is pretty tight. Oh yeah, here we go. Can be raised. As I mentioned earlier, this plane was previously owned by TAP, that's a Portuguese airline, and TAP originally got it from Singapore Airlines. And it had a mixed match of cabin interiors. We decided to standardize it, so now it looks like all our planes. And you know what else is new? A330 business class has center bins. Look at this. Even the 777s don't have this. And all the way up to the front, even row number one. Row number one in the center has overhead bins. Row 2, 3, and 4. Instead of the wasted space up at the front here, like on the Dreamliners and the triples. Economy class. Look at the size of these monitors. Wow. This is really an upgrade. This is really an upgrade. In the premium economy, they've got these brand new seats. I mean, like, this is a really clever idea. The aisleway armrest tucks down until the passenger is occupying it, so getting in and out is a lot easier instead of having the arm. And that arm is stored at the moment. It should raise up like that.